guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way that you can earn yourself millions of BabyDoge coin right now into your faucet paying account. All right, so on this website I'm going to be showing you right now, it has been hidden, and right now guys, on this video I will be exposing everything to you guys. So over here you can see that my balance right here is that I have around 275 million BabyDoge coin right now. So over here on this video you are going to be learning how you can be able to get something that is even more than this by just doing what I'm going to be showing you right now. So what you need to do right now is to simply follow my step and make sure you do not skip any part of this video, because each part of this video is very crucial that you understand it. So if you are new to our channel, you are missing out big time. So over here on my channel I teach you guys only how to make money in the crypto space without having to pay even the gas fee for that. So over here, this is one. If you are new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, you are missing out big time. So kindly use this subscription button right now below the video you are watching. When you click on it like this, you have subscribed to our channel and this bell icon is going to show up. So you click the bell icon and select all. In that way, YouTube will send you notification immediately I drop the next update. Also, if you want to start the chance of getting yourself free BNB by just watching our video, you should simply consider giving this video a thumbs up and also giving us a very nice comment right here on this comment section, and also by sharing this video to any social media platform if it turns. Also, this is where we pick our winners on the comment section, so make sure that your name is right there by just commenting. So after that guys, let's now go back and learn how we can be able to earn ourselves millions of Dogecoin in just a simple go. So over here also on our Telegram channel, we drop a lot of updates right here. Even the ones that we were not able to drop on YouTube, we drop it right here. So you can use the link on the description of this video to get yourself right here on this our Telegram. All right, so right now let's now learn how we can be able to earn ourselves free BabyDoge coin right now. So to start with, you should simply use the link on the description of this video to get yourself started right about now. So once you click the link on the description of this video, this is the exact web page that you are going to be taken to. All right, so once you're on this page, you should simply consider reading everything all by yourself. But right now you do not have to bother about anything, because I'm going to be taking you guys through the simple step that you need to take for you to be able to do this. So over here you can see here that this is the current price. All right, so there are some ads on this website, so you need to take care of it. So you can simply see that there is a lot of ads right here, and over here you can see this is the current price of BabyDoge coin right here. So I'm gonna try putting this on desktop mode so that I'm gonna try it and see it clearer. So over here, this is how you do it. You can see right now it is now blurred, and some ads that are gonna pop up is gonna be very little and not too disturbing. All right, so right now you should consider putting yours on desktop mode by clicking these three dots right here and selecting desktop sites. So this is for those that are using mobile. So if you are using laptop for this, it's going to be a little bit easier for you. So over here guys, you can see that if you are claiming, you can get around 1.25 million BabyDoge coin on each claim. So right now, stick with me, let me now teach you how you can be able to do this. So the first thing you need to do right here is that you need to log into this website. So to log in, you need a an email address. All right, so and the email address that you need to log into this website is the email address that you use on creating your faucet paying account. So over here, this is my email. When I click on profile, this is my email right here. So when I click on setting, and you can see, okay, my bad, when I click on security, you can see that this is the email that I use on creating my faucet paying account. So right now I need to go back to the website like this and get to input my email right about here. So when I click over here, I just need to select the email. This is my email that I use on creating my faucet paying account right here. So what I need to do next is to simply come down, scroll down and click on login like this. So I have to click on login. So once I click on login, this should take me to the next page where I need to take the next step. So over here you can see, let me now explain everything to you in detail. So over here guys, you can see that you can claim BabyDoge coin every 0 minute. This means that you can claim it without any hesitation, and you can claim it about 20 times every single day. All right, so this is a totally new platform and you should make sure that you give it a try. So coming down right here, you can see this is my email address that I use on creating my faucet paying account, and this is also my IP address. So the next thing that I need to do once I get over here is to simply complete this captcha right now. So I have to check this box right here. This is going to be asking me to complete some captcha right now. You can see over here it is done. So I have to click on claim right now. Okay, so stick with me, do not skip any part of this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to do this right about now. So this is going to be taking you to the third page where you need to complete the final step. So over here, to continue with this is what you need to do. So you need to click over here on this sponsor link, because you are actually going to be earning through the ad revenue that is being generated on this website. So after completing the step that I'm going to be showing you right now, this website is going to be paying you part of the money that they realize from the ads that are being shown on their website. So once you are done doing that, you need to just scroll down like this and click on visit sponsor link. So I have to click on it like this. This is going to be opening up a new tab for me right about now. All right, so what I need to do right is simply wait a little seconds for it to open up. So once it's open up, we are going to be taking our next step immediately. All right, so once the page opens up, this is gonna be seeing a countdown that looks like this. It's gonna count down from, I think, 16 till 0 before you can be able to take the next step after completing the captcha. All right, so right now stick with me because this is just like solving a short link. All right, so stick with me. Let's now see how this goes immediately. So this is not gonna be taking much of your time. All right, so because I'm gonna be doing everything as quickly as possible. So right now I need to verify that I am a human, so I have to click on it like this. So you can see it's gonna load up a little bit. I'm gonna have to solve a captcha before I can be able to proceed to the next step. All right, so right now stick with me. Let's now see how all this goes right about now. Okay, so the next thing is simply for me to select the image that appear the least amount of time. So obviously right here, you know how to do this. So over here, you can see that paper existed 4 times, and over here we have tissue right here only 2 times. So I have to select the tissue. Once I select the tissue, then this is going to be verifying me right about now. So over here, the next thing you need to take note of is that this is the, you need to do this up to 6 times. So over here, you can see this is the first step, and you need to repeat this step up to 6 times before you can be able to get credited with your free BabyDoge coin. All right, so what I need to do right and simply click on step 0 of 6. All right, so this is going to be opening up a new page for me that's going to be requiring me to repeat the same process. All right, so this is just like solving a short link. Like I said, we have to wait until this countdown is done, then we have to do it again right about now. So let's wait until the countdown is done and we'll be proceeding immediately. So right now, guys, you can see this is how easy it is. So over here, this is the link right about now. So what I need to do is simply scroll down like this, and I'm gonna have to click on step 1 of 6. All right, so I have to click it again. This is going to be opening up a new tab for me. So right now, guys, you can see this is how it works. So what I need to do right now is to simply fast forward this video so that all this will be done right now. So I'm going to be opening the video where I'm done completing all these tasks. All right, so and over here, this is the last one. I have to click on step 5 of 6 like this. So this is going to be opening up a new page for me. Let's see how it goes right about now. So over here, you need to wait for 15 seconds. Let's see how everything goes. I have to fast forward it a little bit. Okay, we are done. So right now I have to verify that I'm a human, so I have to click on it like this. So this is going to be opening up a captcha for me, which is going to ask me to select the image that appeared the least amount of time. Here is it. So this is going to be verifying, so I have to click on step 6 of 6 right here like this. All right, so once I click on it, let's see what we have right about now. Okay, so let's see what we're going to be having right here right now to earn ourselves about 1.25 million BabyDoge coin. And right here you can see this is a new page. Let's see what we're going to be having right here. So right now I need to scroll down like this. You can see over here that we have been successfully sent 1.25 BabyDoge coin right now into our C wallet account. So what do I need to do right now? So what I need to do right now is to simply go to my BabyDoge coin wallet and see what I have right there. So when I get back like this, let's see what we have like this. So over here you can see right here that this is my BabyDoge coin account. So when I click on this right about now, this is my BabyDoge coin right here, and let's see what we have right here. You can see that I guess my balance has just increased, and right now, guys, this is what I got right now. Okay, so over here you can see this is what I got right about now. So over here, let me now show you guys something. When I click on this, you can see this was the transaction detail. Right now you can see over here that this is what I just received right about now, 125 BabyDoge coin. All right, so this is the 20th November, and over here you can see this is it right about now. Okay, so this is how the website works, and you can see that the payment is working very well, and this is how you earn yourself free BabyDoge coin completely free of charge without having to make any single deposit. So please, I know you do enjoy the video. Please, if let me know what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about the video in the comment section. And also do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that. And that is all about this video. So make sure you stay posted, because on this channel I teach you everything you need to know about how to earn completely free of charge. Future videos are loading and we'll be dropping them very soon. So thank you guys and enjoy the rest of the day. Peace.